Entering the system, you can create a real strategy and prepare for actual trading. By default, we have the virtual trading mode set up, so you can try it out without risking any money. To switch to real trading mode, you can do it here. However, we will keep it virtual for now and try to create our first strategy. Let's go to Trade History, then the first tab and the Bot Builder button. GainTrade defaults to the most efficient pairs. We can choose one of the suggested options that our internal system calculates every morning. Let's assume that you like the pair of Coca-Cola Company and Visa Incorporated based on several parameters. Here, we can see that the delta is already visible on the chart. This is the spread, the difference in the price of Visa and Coca-Cola's stocks, which can converge or diverge. Take profit, stop loss, and entry points are also set by default. We can see them in the settings, the lower and upper boundaries of the spread, stop loss, take profit. Click on Create Bot, and move to the bot list. Here, we can expand it and see it. We can close the deal early by adjusting the spread, say, to the mark of 8. We need to adjust the mark of 8 and 9. Make the changes.